Hi everyone, I'm Kirsten Whitehead and I'm one of the dietitians that's going to be teaching you on your course at SHU quite a bit over the next couple of years. I live in Nottingham and I just wanted to give you a bit of background as to what kind of things I've done as a dietitian so that you've got some understanding of who's going to be in front of you teaching you over the next couple of years. So I live in Nottingham. I have been a dietitian for decades and I've done more than 20 years of working in the NHS. And that's everything from graduate post, specialising in obesity management, both hospital and community, doing cardiovascular disease prevention, health promotion related work, and HIV, which I was HIV specialist for 7 years. I then went and did a master's in public health, and that kind of enabled me to be able to go into academia, which is something I wanted to do. And I taught at the University of Nottingham, taught on the dietetics course at the University of Nottingham for nearly 18 years. And I taught health promotion, communication skills, lifestyle related conditions, how to deliver group education, so quite a wide variety of things, mostly relating to things that I've done in clinical practice. So I left there in 2019, having during that time completed a PhD in communication skills in dietetics. So that's my real passion, the communication skills aspect. And I'm going to be teaching that with you in professional practice across the summer this year. So I got the PhD, I finished working at Nottingham, and for the last few years I've been working as a freelance dietetic educator. So I work at 4 different universities, but SHU is my biggest job. I do some teaching for the British Dietetic Association. I've continued to do a little bit of research into communication skills in dietetics, and hopefully will bring, therefore, a wide variety of skills and experience to you. So I'm teaching on dietetic practice in long-term conditions, professional practice, creating original practice, evaluating research methodologies, and a little bit on leadership and public health nutrition. So you're going to see quite a bit of me over the next couple of years. I'm really looking forward to getting to know you.